In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion formulas to convert minutes into hours automatically. This is perfect if you track tasks, workouts, study time, or any activity in minutes and want Notion to instantly calculate the total hours for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple formula that updates in real time whenever you enter minutes. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can do this from your sidebar by clicking on New Page. This will be the workspace where we build our time conversion setup. Once the page opens, give it a clear heading so you know exactly what it's for. In this example, I'm naming it Time Conversion, but you can name it anything that fits your workflow. Next, we're going to create a database. Click below the heading and choose a table database. This database will help us organize tasks and apply formulas easily. For this example, I'll treat each row as a task, but this works just as well for habits, workouts, or projects. In the first column, you can name it Tasks. This will hold the name of whatever activity you're tracking. For example, I'll add a task called Swimming. Now let's move on to the second column. Rename this column to Minutes. Make sure the property type for minutes is set to number. This is important because formulas only work correctly when the input is numeric. Now, let's create the column that will calculate hours for us. Add a new column and name it Hours. Change the property type of this column to Formula. As soon as you select Formula, Notion will open the Formula Editor. Inside the Formula Editor, click on the Minutes property. This tells Notion that we want to use the value from the Minutes column. After selecting it, simply add /60. Your formula should read minutes divided by 60. This is the key step because there are 60 minutes in an hour, and Notion will now do this calculation automatically for every row. Once the formula is set, click outside the editor to save it. Now let's test it. For the swimming task, enter 60 in the minutes column. You'll immediately see the hours column update to 1. That means 60 minutes has been correctly converted into 1 hour. You can now add any number of tasks and enter any number of minutes, and Notion will instantly convert them into hours for you. For example, if you enter 90 minutes, you'll see 1.5 hours. If you enter 30 minutes, you'll see 0.5 hours. This makes tracking and reporting time incredibly easy. And that's it. You've successfully created a Notion formula that converts minutes to hours automatically. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tutorials, formulas, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.